Yeah, that's right. YouTube has a new feature called cards, and it's like annotations on steroids, the next level of annotations, basically. And it's what annotations should have been in the first place, but it's called cards, and it's a separate feature than annotations. And today, in this video, I'm going to show you quickly how to use them on your own videos so you can increase viewer engagement. So when you're logged into YouTube under your video manager, you're going to click on the channel button over here on the left-hand side. Make sure that your channel is in good standing, because this won't work if you're in bad standing. So make sure you're in good standing first, and then go back to your videos. Now find a video that you want to enable a cards feature on, click the arrow next to the edit button on the video, and then click cards, and it'll take you to the cards section where you can add cards. So what are cards exactly, and what are they used for? Basically, you use them to have the viewer take some type of action. So if I'm doing a video and I mention my website, that's when I want a card to pop up with the link that says visit my website. That's what a card is for, to do that. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So in your video, you're going to find the spot that you want the card to pop up, and it'll always pop up on the top right of the video. So in my video right here, 19 seconds in, I would like a little card to pop up saying visit the full blog post here. And I'm going to click add card. And you can add different types of actions. So if I want to add a link back to my website, I can do the website. I can do a link back to a fundraising site, a Patreon page, for example. Also, there is a merchandise link and a video or playlist, just like with annotations. So with this one, I want to have the link go back to my website for this particular blog post. So I'm gonna hit create on an associated website, and then I'm gonna type in my website URL to the blog post that I want the people to go to. And then I'm going to go, so that's the URL right there. And then it'll populate the blog post and the pictures, and you can upload your own. Just click upload image, and you can upload your own custom image to that. If you don't want any of the populated images, for now, I'll just leave that like that. And here's your title. So mine is over the limit. Let's just delete that and create a website in 3 easy steps. Okay. And then my call to action is click here to view the step-by-step guide. Okay, I'm over the limit, so view the step-by-step guide. So that's what I want, and I'm gonna hit create card. And now you can see that at 19 seconds in, this little teaser text box will pop up. Okay, and it'll pop up for a couple seconds, but this eye icon right here will always be on the video when people hover over it. So if they hover over your video, this eye will be visible, and they can click on it, and when they click on it, that's when they see the card. Create a website in 3 easy steps, view the step-by-step guide, and if they click on that, it'll open up a new tab to that blog post. And then, so you can do this throughout the video. I think there's a limit, 5 cards per video. You can't have more than 5 cards per video. And so just keep that in mind, but it's a great way to get people to take action. And there you go, that's an example of how cards work. And they also work on mobile devices too, which annotations do not work on mobile devices, cards do. So on mobile devices, they'll be able to click on that eye or tap on that eye, and they will see your call to actions and your cards, and it's going to increase your engagement in your call to actions. I think this is going to be a huge improvement over annotations as far as conversion goes when it comes to people clicking and taking that action.